The day that the hard-headed cowboy rode out of town. He left his love sleeping, slipped out without making a sound. He liked where he'd been, but the winds were calling his name. The hard-headed cowboy won't let his heart get in his way. What little he packed kept his back to the sun for a while. Suddenly he felt a little more free every mile. A rose and a note when she woke up was all that she found. The day that the hard-headed cowboy